Hi everybody, this video tutorial I will show you how to write a email address on the transcription. So I put some example on the notepad. Example speaker say 123 at the rate gmail.com. So all of the word are English. If a speaker say as a like that, so we put this way. So ABC 1 space 2 space 3 at gmail.com. If the speaker say ABC, then number should be Thai. It should be typed ABC, the number should be Thai. But it should not be used any number. It should be number by a word. Is like if the speaker uh, say if the speaker say my mail is m-golden@gmail.com, we should be typed like this. My mail is like it is small because it is the English word, that's why we are type the English. Then m dash golden at gmail.com, all of place we put the English tag. If the speaker say uh, example note my email space dot demo dot 1 2 3 at gmail.com. We type like this, then we put the English tag. Hope you are clear how to write a email address on the transcription. Thanks for the watching the video.